What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Ferris here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about what you need to know when you get a fake AirPod clone, okay? So I'm going to talk about mostly about the i12 TWS, but before I get in the video, I'm going to be giving away a free pair to one lucky subscriber. So like the video, comment, and subscribe on why you want to win. Once we hit 100 likes, I'll be giving it away. So basically, I'm going to really just square this away real quick for you guys, make it simple. LKTE9 is okay. But it's a USB charger, it's more expensive, and the wireless charging is kind of subpar, and the chip might not be that good for most people. XY-Pod sound quality is poor, and for both those models, they market the AirPod connector screen, but that's going to get patched by Apple most likely. And if you're just paying for a screen, why? It's stupid. I want sound quality, all right? Now the i13s are going to be the hottest ones coming out in the market for the summer months, so stay tuned for those. I'll be dropping them in my store, bacartech.com, but they still haven't gotten the great chipset yet, so just wait it about 2 to 3 weeks if you want to purchase one of those. The i12 TWSs are the best ones in the market, all right? And you can find them in my store below. I also sell them on eBay, so look for me on there, bacartech or ZTech Technology, I believe I have it as. Anyway, basically, these are the best ones, but there are 3 variations. The 3 variations, I'm going to start with worst quality and work my way up to the best quality. The worst quality is the blue box one, all right? The box is blue, all right, and it's multicolored. I would say about 90% of those have a terrible chipset, and most of them fall out of your ear. They don't fit nice and snug like these, all right? And they just look corny, to be honest. I heard most of the paint jobs aren't that good, and they chip, as well as the chipset's just horrible, and the mic is just even worse. So don't buy those if you really want, good sound quality AirPod clone. All right, and then you have the i12 TWS with the V5 usually. Those are the ones, I mean, you could get a different one. They just depend on the supplier and the reseller. Those are the ones that really don't have the like one-to-one lightning cable as well, but they have a copper ring chipset. The copper ring chipset is good. I would say it's about an 8 out of 10 on the AirPod clone scale, but the bass is still not there. It might be a little more bassy, it just depends. I'll have some of those in stock soon, but those are good for about 20 to 35 bucks. Those are the ones mostly you'll be finding on eBay. Most people will be even selling them for 40 to 50, you know? But they are good, they're good quality. You know, if you just got some PayPal money from scamming kids on World of Warcraft or Call of Duty for Master Prestige glitches back in the day, definitely pick one of those up. But if you want the best quality, I suggest the i12 TWS Realtek ones, all right? These are the ones with a nice case, good flap, all right? All right, and they look like this. Cool, they all have the lights, which I think are kind of dope. They tell you if they're working or not. And the box looks like this, all right? Just says TWS. It looks clean, looks like an Apple box. Very nice, very prestigious for the quality. All right, you want to look for the ones that have a Realtek chip. Those are the rarest to find, and they have the best quality. The sound is up there with the Apple ones. Now, it's not one-to-one. When it comes to the sound, it's obviously one-to-one when it comes to the case, but the sound is definitely a lot better on, not a lot better, I would say the sound is still a little bit better on the Apple ones, but these are great, I'm telling you. The mic is about a 7 out of 10. It's definitely a little muffly. You could watch my review video if you really want to see what's up with that, but it's still a great quality one to use. I wear these every day. People tell me if these are real ones, and they think they're real, but I don't really care. They're nice, they're high quality, and people will love them, all right? So that's really it, guys. Realtek's the best one. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the giveaway. I'll catch you